How to make a song using Suno AI. So first of all, goes to Suno. Then I'm in the home page, just go to create. And over here you have simple and you have custom. So in simple, you just type a simple idea and Suno does the rest. Custom lets you write your own lyrics and set detail. So let's go to simple and just write a sad love song, male vocal. And then you click create. But you need credits, make sure you have credits. Once you click create, it's gonna generate two versions. And then you pick which one is better now. And that's it, now it's generating.
I kissed the wind where her name used to be.
Okay, you got the point. It's still generating. And then after that, you can download the song, MP3 or video, depends how you want it. You go to custom over here and write your own lyrics, or you could make a full song. You type some words, it's gonna generate two options, then you select one option, you add it here, or you could just add instrumental. If you don't want any lyrics, you need to put the style of the music. If you do not put anything, then it will decide by itself. Under more options, you can add your own voice or add a persona, depends how you like it. And then you create. That's how you use Suno AI to make a song.